Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a delightful step back in time with a look at the classic portable manual typewriter, KK321. This isn't just a writing tool. It's an experience, a journey into the tactile world of words, and a beautiful piece of vintage machinery that promises to rekindle the joy of putting ink to paper. Right out of the box, the KK321 impresses with its classic aesthetic. It truly embodies that vintage charm, looking like something pulled straight from a bygone era, yet it feels robust and well-constructed. Its portability is a huge plus. It's designed to be carried, allowing one to set up a writing station anywhere, a quiet park bench, a cozy cafe, or simply a different room in the house away from digital distractions. What truly sets the KK321 apart is its user-friendly design. For anyone who might be intimidated by a manual typewriter, this model makes the transition incredibly smooth. The keys have a satisfying, responsive feel, providing that distinct click-clack sound that is so characteristic of typewriters. It's not overly stiff, making for a comfortable typing experience even for extended periods. The mechanism for advancing the paper and shifting the carriage is intuitive, ensuring that even a novice can get started without a steep learning curve. And speaking of getting started, the fact that it comes with a ribbon set is a fantastic bonus. There's no need to hunt for compatible ribbons immediately. One can unbox it, load the paper, and begin typing almost instantly. This attention to detail really enhances the out-of-the-box experience, making it truly ready for action. Using the KK321 is a wonderfully immersive process. It forces a different kind of focus, a deliberate pace that encourages thoughtful composition. There's an undeniable satisfaction in seeing each letter appear on the page, a tangible record of one's thoughts. It's a refreshing break from the endless scrolling and notifications of modern devices, offering a pure, unadulterated writing environment. For creative writers, journal keepers, or anyone looking to disconnect and engage with their words in a more profound way, this vintage writing machine is an absolute gem. It's more than just a functional item. It's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and a gateway to a more mindful approach to creation. The classic portable manual typewriter, KK321, truly delivers on its promise of a charming, accessible, and deeply satisfying vintage writing experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.